now at day 6, I can start seeing that the hair is actually growing.
Yeah, today we have a patient. Today is day 6 that he have done a Smart FUE, and he would like to share his journey and experience about the technique of Smart FUE today.
So yeah, my journey began, I guess, a few years back. I started noticing I was losing hair, but recently a lot more people were asking like, is your hair receding? So I thought, maybe it's time to look at options out there. I come from a family of doctors, so they were also reading about the credentials of Dr. Jaz, and they said like, being the only fellow of the Hair Reconstruction Society, he's definitely probably the most qualified in the country.
Yeah, his diagnosis is the male Panthenus level 3 vertex. So we fill up at the vertex, we fill up at the front, and we have fill up the area here is called frontal temple angle here. So this is the design. Now there's no more M shape. Whole graph is at the design to frame up the face.
The confidence, okay, Glomac, Dr. Jazi is the right person to do this. The graphs that were extracted were shown to me. I did 3,000 graphs. I was awake throughout the day. Dr. Jaz was there whenever I felt slightly uncomfortable, whenever I felt I wasn't sure what was happening. He always calmed me down. The staff was very friendly, and the whole experience was very comfortable. It was very minimal. I expected it to be worse, but by day 2, day 3, I could barely feel the pain anymore. Now at day 6, I can start seeing that the hair is actually growing. It's been a very good experience. So thank you, Dr. Yaji and Gloja.
Thank you very much for sharing your experience with us.